field. Hiding out in the shade.
It's a beautiful day today on here.
It is. Nice and cool in the shade.
It's great. It's quiet. It's Sunday. Liking it.
This is the little courtyard that we're sitting under. Not a soul. I'm looking for parrots. I saw parrots yesterday, but today, not a one.
Vanilla ice cream.
Ooh. Me too. Sugar free. There's the property I want.
This morning we're going to take off our propeller on our dinghy motor. We've either broken a shear pin or the bushing is shot, so I don't know which is which till I take the propeller off. If it's a bushing, we'll get another propeller. If it's a shear pin, I'll get another shear pin. So to take the propeller off, I forgot to bring grease. And it is a bushing. We need to get.
Oh no!
No big deal. So on this propeller we have a bushing. In a lot of propellers they have a shear pin that goes in a slot that goes across here. This bushing is designed if you hit something, it starts to turn. Now it's too loose and the propeller does not turn. Get this bushing replaced and maybe a spare propeller, so if it happens again we won't be stranded. You can see the rubber inside here where it's been turned, the shaft has been turning on the bushing.
Here's our buddies. Hey, stop kissing me. Now we're going to put our bikes together and ride to the hardware store. We have found the Yamaha dealer. So hopefully they can help us.
Yeah, we're dreaming.
What?
We're dreaming.
Oh, he's dreaming. Yeah. You want to go up 2 horsepowers. Okay, looks like we have to get a whole new prop. How much is that, Andrew?
$69. Plus tax, yes? No? No, that's it. $69. Probably just $69. Well, we can't fix this because this piece is not a pressed-in bushing. It is put in and then the rubber is vulcanized. And it can't be fixed here. So we have to try and fix it somewhere else.
Maybe. Yeah.
Our next stop is Cooeyman's, where we look for a heat knife to melt the ends of the ropes when we cut them.
We want something like this, but maybe a little bit more heavy duty. It's got the cutting knife in there, but I'm not sure if that would cauterize the rope.
There's some spare tips. And the price is
$50.
$50. Yeah.
Okay, we've got our new prop. I've greased everything and we're going to put the new prop on. It's slightly different than the old one. This is for a 2-stroke motor. It's all greased up in here. Got some white lithium grease. This piece goes on first onto the prop shaft.
Propeller smaller. We're even going to go slower than we already do.
Here's a hole our split pin will go through once we got the prop nut on. And that just screws on very nicely. Grease on the prop nut. My philosophy is grease everything. Here we go. It's a good idea to remember where the hole for the cotter pin is. I can't see through the
Grease.
through all the grease.
This is where we're doing our repair job.
Right on the beach.
Yep, boats right down. Oh, there's WaveRiders.
We have a waterfront garage.
At least if we drop anything, it's easy to retrieve here.
See, I got it straight in there. Now we take our pliers, grab the long end.
Was it split before?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a new pin.
No, it's the same one. Oh, I can do that with my fingers. Split one way, the other way. Nut won't come off. We're ready to roll.
Just have to load the bikes back into the dinghy before we go.
This is called tough tape. It goes on the inside between your tire and your inner tube. Hopefully it'll mitigate some of the flat tires we've been having recently. So I've already done Leanne's bike. I'm about to do my bike. This makes the wheels a little bit heavier. I'm not really fond of that, but if I don't have to have changed flat tires all the time, I'll go for that. The first step is to take the air out of the tube so I can get the tape inside between the tube and the tire. Next, I pry off one side of the tire, just like this. Hopefully I'm not pinching the tube. Okay, now the tire is off on this side, and all I have to do is put the tuck tape in there. Next thing we do is put the tape in. Just slide it in just like so. This tape, they claim, will stop thorns and glass and rocks and wires from puncturing your tire. And there, it's all in. Can you see in there, Leanne? So you put the tire back on. Good idea to hold the spoke so you don't bend off the valve stem. The tire is partially inflated, really soft. You make sure the tire is sitting on there properly so it doesn't blow off, which makes a big bang and scares the heck out of people and blows your tube up.
It's sitting nicely on the rim, bedded in the rim. This is the tape. We bought it at Mountain Equipment Co-op in Canada, but they do have it here in the bike shop in Bon Air. It was just a little bit cheaper in Canada, paying with Canadian money for us.
Thank you for watching this episode of Sailing WaveRiders.
Remember to like, subscribe, and share.